Welcome back. In this advanced service guide for the Nayati Gas Tilting Pan, we will demonstrate how to remove the back and side panels to get a clear view of the linear actuator and the microswitches that control the tilting mechanism. To inspect the actuator from the rear, you can remove the back panel. It is secured by 6 screws. Once all 6 screws are removed, the panel can be pulled straight off. From here, you can see the actuator, its heavy-duty mounting plate, and the main drive shaft.
To get a clear view of the tilting mechanism, we will now demonstrate the detailed procedure for removing the right side panel. Step 1. Remove the top front screws. Begin by removing the screws located along the top front edge of the unit. Step 2. Remove the external side screws. Next, remove the screws securing the right side panel from the front and the back of the appliance. Step 3. Tilt the pan to maximum up. Now you must tilt the pan to its maximum up position. This is a critical step to gain access to the internal fasteners. Step 4. Remove the inner screws and cover. With the pan tilted, you can now access the inner side of the panel. Remove the 4 screws located here. This will allow you to remove a small internal cover plate. Once that cover is out of the way, you will see 2 final screws that also need to be removed. Finally, with a 10mm socket, you must loosen but do not remove these 2 bolts. This creates just enough of a gap to carefully lift the side panel up and out.
With the side panel removed, we can now clearly see how the limit switches work. In this maximum up position, you can see the drive shaft is pressing on the up microswitch. This signals the controls and activates relay K5. Now, as we lower the pan, the shaft moves away from the switch. When it reaches the fully down and level position, the lever makes contact with the down microswitch. This action activates relays K6 and K8 to signal that the pan is safely home.
There is also a magnetic reed switch, which acts as the main tilting sensor.
When the pan is perfectly level, a magnet on the frame aligns with the switch, providing a final confirmation that the pan is in a safe, horizontal position for cooking.
The linear actuator is the motor that drives this entire mechanism. Its shaft extends a maximum of 20 centimeters to achieve full tilt. It is mounted on a thick plate with 5 bolts that must always be kept extremely tight for stability. To replace the actuator, it can be accessed from both the front and rear. It is held in place by 2 main pins, which can be removed to free the unit for service.